Hi guys, I hope you are doing fine. So today we are going to discuss about a trick in SQL Server. Like our main objective is like we want to categorize a food menu in two different types by selecting the prices. Like as you can see, there are a list of prices. By the way, this is a subquery that will be placed in the original SQL query. So the subquery is doing like it's creating just a temporary table or a collection of data, and we don't have to store this table in database. It's just a collection, so you don't have to worry about doing any kind of operation or create table, nothing else. So this is the table where every food name has a specific price, and this is a emoji. It is just for fun, nothing else. So the emoji represents the food name, but actually these are some weird food name, you can say, like, but for the sake of querying we are doing this now. So the width gives us a TBL food menu table, and we want to categorize this element in two different types. So let's see what are the elements in TBL food menu. So first of all, select the item from here. If you don't know what the width query is, like the width, what it is doing, with doing exactly like this is, like this is a table where a collection of values is representing as a table, and the from query selects from this table. So I'm doing this because you guys can see it easily. The with subquery works like this. If you know how subquery works, if you input this in here, this is the subquery from this subquery. And by the way, we need to give this alias t1 maybe. So this is how the width works with the SQL. By the way, this is my previous query. I don't want to show you this now. Okay, I want to select ID name price from the TBL food menu. Okay, we are receiving an error from there. Okay, so maybe I just selected this part. Okay. So in this TBL table, we have a price, name, and ID for specific elements. So what we want to do, like we want to categorize the elements by this price range. So our main or the basic objective is, if you select the average price of these foods and then categorize them in a way, then we can get the categories. So what you can do, we want to show the category besides that. So currently there is no category in there. As category, so the category is actually empty. So we'll categorize them by the average price. So what you can do, we can use case statement. In this case, what is the case statement basic structure? You want to start with case, sorry, we want to start with case, and then the first objective, like when something, then print something like this way, and then if nothing works out, you will use the else keyword and do your task, and you will have to end this with the end keyword. So this is the basic idea of case statement. So our first objective is, if the price is greater than the average price, right? Average price. Then we want to show premium. This product is premium, else it's just a special product. So will this work? Let's see. See, this is an error. We are getting an error because of the average keyword can't work individually in this case. So we want to use a select statement for this. Select average price from trivial food menu. Just this and nothing else. So what is doing, like, our first case is when the price is greater than the average price, then we want to make this category a premium, else it's a special category. That's it. So let's show it. Okay, we are getting an error for this part. Trivial food menu ID is invalid because it's not, sorry, my bad, from trivial food menu. So yeah, so as you can see, this is premium. There are two premium elements, but our question also includes we need to order them by the category. So if you just say like order by category, will it work? Let's see. Yes, it's working. But why it's working? Because the order by statement is running after the query is executed, or after this part gives a result to you. And the where query works before the query gives any kind of result, it filters the result. So that's why you can't use the category element in the where clause, but you can use order by for this category, and thus the order by and the having clause works like the same way. You can use the having clause with a group by statement and use the alias names. So this is the way. So this is the case how we use this case statement with different purpose. You can use multiple when and then clause, and you can use a single column name in here. You can't use multiple column names here. Like, this is a first task. So this is our objective of this video. I hope you guys like it. If you want to learn anything about SQL queries, then just hit me in the comment section and like, share and subscribe. And don't remember, this query is only for SQL Server. The Oracle and the MySQL server can be different from this, so they have their own statements if these are different. So mind that, and thank you guys.